Good morning, friends, and happy Vlogmas Day 14. It's Saturday, and I have the day off work, miraculously. It's very rare that I don't work on a Saturday. So today is full of errands and getting things done. I'm gonna go shopping, go to the chemist to pick up a few things. The washing's on, so when I come back I gotta do the washing. It's just lots of things need to be done today. So that's what we're doing. It's bright and early. It's just gone 9:30 and I'm covered in hair. It's one of the things about having long, thick hair. Yeah, it's nice and early and we're ready to get the day done. I don't know if you're like this, but whenever I have things to do, like shopping or like errands and things, I always like doing them first thing in the morning and then having the rest of the day just to myself, just usually at home, catching up on things and doing things that I can just chill out with. Let me know what you're like. Are you one of those people that leave it all to the last minute? Are you someone who goes in the afternoon? You like to have time to yourself in the morning and then do your errands in the arvo? I'm the complete opposite. Errands in the morning and chill out in the afternoon. So I'm going to take you with me and yeah, let's have a good Saturday getting things done. Shopping is all done. I'm so glad I've gotten in early because just as I'm leaving, the place is getting busy. What I forgot to mention this morning is it's another smoky day. It is hot and humid and smoky and just a really muggy, awful day, and it's not even 11 o'clock yet and it's like, ugh. What is the rest of the day going to be like? From shopping for a little while now. I've just finished doing the edit from yesterday's vlog of what it was. It was just me sitting in front of the camera and complaining about my day. We are actually having issues with our Wi-Fi at the moment, so I'm not sure actually if this vlog will actually upload today. I'm gonna save it anyway so that it's ready to go when our Wi-Fi decides to actually work. So it's kind of just put a stop to everything. It's crazy just how much you kind of rely on Wi-Fi to work the house kind of thing. So hopefully we can sort that out. My brother has reset the router or something like that and it's still not working. I don't know. I'm not very good with technology. So I don't know. I think we'll just try and reset things or turn them off and then turn them back on again. It usually always works. If not, then I don't know when you'll be seeing this video. I'm not sure what I'm going to do for the rest of the afternoon. I still do have things to do. I still want to try and photograph my wreath. This one here. And put it on Instagram. I'm going to try and make an effort and do something really, like a really nice photo. I don't usually do sort of like staged or planned photos. You know how people do like fancy looking things. I'm going to try it. See if I can do it, and if I get a good one I'll put it on Instagram while I try and sort the Wi-Fi issue out. I have some lunch because it's 20 to 1 and I've got a lot of stuff done today, which I'm really happy about, but there's still lots more to do. If I can't get the internet working, then I might just focus on my puzzle. I do admit I have been procrastinating over a little bit because, as I mentioned the other day, it's up to all of the hard blue bits and it's hard when all the pieces are all the same colour. But anyway, we'll see what happens. Yay, we have success. Graham has saved the day and has made our Wi-Fi / internet work again. Happy days. So it's now 25 to 2 and I can finally upload the vlog from yesterday. Good. That makes the day a little bit more productive now. I've also had an outfit change. It's hot today and I just wanted something cool to wear, so I've changed into my lovely red dress that I love wearing. Merry evening to you all. It's a little bit later on in the day. It's actually quite a lot later in the day. It's like almost 8:30 or something. And I've spent the evening doing some more of the puzzle and I will 100% finish it tonight. So I thought I'd show you the puzzle at the moment before I finish it, and then I'll finish it and show you again. This is how many pieces I have left and there's pretty much the puzzle done. I'm very happy with it. I just have to do this little part up here in the corner and then we're finished. But it looks so good. I'm so happy with it. So it shouldn't take me too long to finish that little bit up the top. I think I'm going to put you on a time lapse while I finish it, and at the same time continue watching Star Wars The Force Awakens. It is one of my favourite Star Wars movies. I just love watching it. I think it's the best. And I'm sort of reacquainting myself to the new storyline before we go and see the last movie, which is it The Last Jedi? No, that's the next one. It's the Rise of Skywalker, that's the one. We're going to see that on Boxing Day for Graham's birthday, but I sort of need to re-watch the movies before it to sort of get my mind back on track. But anyway, this will only be interesting to those of you who are Star Wars fans like me. But anyway, this isn't getting the puzzle done. Let's do it. Ta-da! Oh, let me just move my phone. But ta-da! It's done. It's finished, completed, finito. I'm so happy with it. Yay! Ooh, nice. I love the feeling of a finished puzzle. It's so cool and such an achievement. I didn't think I'd get it done so quickly, if I'm to be perfectly honest. But yeah, it was actually really quite simple. I think this was possibly the hardest because it's all different sorts of shapes and colours and things, but everything else was really quite simple. So before I toodle off to bed for the night, it's time to do the advent calendar. We've got to look at day 14. That's right, isn't it? Day 14. Let me just bring it up a little bit. Hello? I'm still here. 14. Let's see what's in it. Again, we've got a little door. Who knows what's in it? Let's open it and find out. It's a sewing quarter fridge magnet. Oh, okay. That's the magnet that we've got. It's actually really quite heavy, to be honest. It's nothing like a bit of branding on a magnet, as you do. Alright, day 14 is done. I look forward to day 15 tomorrow. Tomorrow is actually my mum and dad's wedding anniversary. They've been married for, I want to say 46 years, but I'm not sure. Around then, 40 something years they've been married for. So it's pretty good innings, I think. I'm going to end today here. Thank you for joining me on what was a day of errands and just homey stuff, you know, things you do every day on a weekend, I suppose. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And our Wi-Fi is back. So happy about that. So happy. I'm lost without Wi-Fi. It's terrible. Tomorrow is a day at work, so I might try and do something with Graham tomorrow. We'll see what happens. We'll see what kind of day I have at work. Better be a good one. Otherwise, I ain't gonna be happy. and you'll know about it. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you again tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 50. Bye!